going to Yosemite National Park.
Oh my God, the long line.
We are waiting in line for the bus. Look at the line. The line is up to there. We were not able to come here yesterday actually because there's no more parking spot available. They already closed the gate. So we're trying again. There's the shuttle. We took that shuttle to here for about 15 minutes now, 10 to 15 minutes. Shuttle from the these are the sequoias. We're standing in the midst of one of Yosemite's natural and cultural treasures, and among the world's most massive living organisms. The trees around you have stood strong for centuries. One tree in the grove, the Grizzly Giant, is estimated to be between 1800 and 2800 years old. Oh wow! Another tree in the grove is so old and large that a 128-year-old ponderosa pine is growing on its crown. Think of the human history that these trees have witnessed over the last few thousand years. Through harsh Sierra seasons, severe fires, floods, and droughts, these ancient giants have remained ever resilient and awe-inspiring. Look.
No.
Anatomy of the giant.
And up to 2 feet slash 0.61 meters. Thick giant sequoia trees. Bark protects the trees from threats such as missing, Mommy said.
Oh, at Bass Lake.
Yes. I don't like the name.
Which one?
The brown creeper.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
there's a creeper.
Oh, Mommy's best friend.
Mommy's your best friend.
Is there too?
Yeah.
Squirrel.
There's a raccoon? Oh, the squirrel is my best friend too in the garden. Look at those huge trees. The ground below you was once part of a paved road system. When sequoia seeds fell from the giants above, they landed on asphalt with no chance of germination. Oh, today falling seeds can land on a fertile, well-hydrated soil, the perfect place to start their long journey to adulthood.
This is a fallen monarch.
It's huge, no?
Yes.
Look at how huge.
They don't know when it fell, right?
Yes. Or how
Wow.
old it is.
Mm-hmm.
Awesomeness. Oh, those are the saplings probably that they're trying to protect. It's 0.6 mile away to the Grizzly Giant, and Wawona Point is 3.4 miles. This is Mariposa Grove Trail.
I sure do love my trail.
Please stay out of enclosure. Look at this. Oh, wow. The animals are here, Josh. Refreshing. Knocks. How the chipmunk.
When Grandfather Bear woke up from his winter slumber, he was very grumpy and hungry as he turned over logs with his big paws looking something to eat.
Come on, Tom.
Turn it off. Another flowers here. Where are we heading to, Josh?
We're heading to Grizzly Giant.
Okay. This is the other grizzly bear. These are the other flowers.
Here
You can tell how aged.
and then s'mores.
You can tell how aged it is by the like
Rings.
the inside.
Yeah, the rings.
Growth rings. Gosh, look at those beautiful wildflowers. Yellow, purple, and white. That looks like strawberry or like raspberry. The ants, like this is my like
Those
finger.
they don't bite, no?
I don't know.
The red ones
Wow,
bite.
huge. What is that, Josh?
But the Bachelor and 3 Graces. A lot of rocks there, Mommy.
Thank you, Josh.
Oh my god, look at this tree.
That's the grizzly.
There's 0.1 mile from Grizzly Giant. It's right
Really?
over there.
That is the oldest and the largest.
Look at this tree.
Hey, Josh.
Oh,
Josh,
the grizzly tree.
that's the grizzly tree.
Dana, ese es mi routine.
The grizzly
It's
giant.
As a Statue of Liberty.
Wow, the grizzly giant is one of the Mariposa. Great, Josh, this. Josh is walking to the grizzly giant. Hurry up, Josh. Hey, Josh. Okay, come here. Look at how huge. Oh, no worries.
So sorry.
Do you mind taking our video too?
Of course.
It's on already.
Yes. Hi, we're at the Grizzly Giant. Thank you.
It's the grizzly giant.
This is a baby pine tree.
The shuttle bus area is 0.7 mile. It's easier now because it's downhill. Is that a chipmunk or
Squirrel.
a squirrel?
Your best friend.
My enemy in the garden.
But you have to like,
Come on, we walk. Okay.
watch.
Thank you, Josh. Are you the guide? Wow, our guide is fast. Wow. Just the fresh smell of the pine trees. Yes, thank you, Josh. Thank you. Crossing between those huge trees. They just cut the trees to make way.
What's that, Daddy?
Tell the bus driver to make
Rest stop.
pit stop.
Big stop. We see a lot of squirrels.
Yeah.
What is it about, Josh?
Stages of life are these trees.
I see. Sit here, Daddy. Daddy's here on the side.